asshole! Get out of the fucking car!
Dickhead! The fuck are you going? You know this is one way, right? Just gonna ignore me? You're going the wrong way! It's one of those weird electric bicycle things that looks like a moped. Still means he's going the wrong way though. So we've got a green light and the buses are blocking the road. Fucking typical. Come on. Where the fuck is he going? It's a fucking green light! What are you doing? You've got a red light! What are you doing, dickhead? Fucking idiot. Yes, I know I went through on that amber. But that's the second time in the last 10 minutes other people's fucking stupidity has fucked it up. Fucking dumbass just looking at me like he didn't understand what red light means. Probably why he went through it, the prick. Fucking wanker. Fucking, I've got a green light, he just goes. Fucking twat. Fucking hell, is he trying to be a statistic? What a wanker! Oh, and he's on his phone in the traffic. Fucking tosser. Cyclist? Cyclist! The fuck? Fucking idiot, don't just pull out. Fuck you. I wonder, is that cyclist going to stop for the red light or just go straight through it? Oh, fucking knew it. fuck? How is that somewhere you park? Dumbass. Fucking idiot. He's still there. Don't know what he's moaning about. Oh, you splashed me when it's fucking raining. Oh my god. You're standing in the middle of a bit where people turn. If someone pulls into that bit at 40, you are gone. What the fuck? Show the fucking road you want, cunt. Don't worry, mate. Not a giveaway line. Don't even think about slowing down when you're already fucking speeding. And then you're going to weave like that. Colossal wank day.